proud of your mouth. Be 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 proud.
That you could come and join us. I want to thank you, the students and the teachers, for being with us today. And so we will start the rally now. And once we come back from the rally, we will just have a small health talk, and then you can discuss it.
Open your mouth. Sit. What? What?
Of your mouth. Of your mouth. Be proud 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 of your mouth. Be proud. Be proud of your mouth. 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 Be proud. Be proud. Christmas. Say no. Say no. Take care. Take care of your teeth. Of your mouth. Of your teeth. Of your teeth.
We observed this day on 20th March, but because it's a Sunday, so we are observing it today. So thank you so much for all the students and for the schools for your placard competition, for joining this placard competition. And so we will not delay this program. So right now, I would like to thank my fellow colleagues, Dr. Taryang and Dr. Khan, who are here with us, and also my other friends from the Polum PHC. And so right now we will have a health talk on why we are celebrating this World Oral Health Day and the importance of oral health. And this will be given by Dr. Iaid Taryang, who is a dental surgeon of Polum PHC.
Introduction. A very good morning to all. Are you all tired from walking? Yes? Okay, so I won't take much time. Okay? So as you all know, Oral Health Day. Okay? It actually falls on the 20th of March. But since it was a Sunday, as mentioned by Dr. Mukim, we are celebrating it today. Okay? So why do we celebrate World Oral Health Day? Why? Do you feel that your oral health is important? Yes. Can you chew without your teeth? No. Can you speak? No. You can speak, but then not fluent. Okay. Have you seen old people speaking without teeth? Kilong kum no? Huh? Can you smile confidently without? It is the third most common cancer. Kadao de belay, kajing bampong, jong kashuntur. Kadao de belay, many of you shout slogans. Say no to tobacco. Kadao de jong u tobacco. Bam duma, bam kwai palat, di cigarette. Ma, kini barok hoy, ki alam sha kajing bampong. Ma, nang ta any irritation, any trauma, hakashuntur, shubo hakangap. Ma, laban long bafikum daj ndeng laban long bakum kabinet kabanep kakumdung ya kada suki kakalalong alsa hadin suki salong cancer nang to lada PA beklem sumar mo di ko oral cancer banlaj ni dai ban avoid ya ke ai ban ba duma di cigarette ma kadi ka jella jongi ka wan ha ka basan ha ka jinggon jong kinong di duma di ma bat kalong ke ka bangim de ban so sarang ma labon palat ki badi duma di cigarette ti ka sarkar India menta kalapin mi ya ka National Tobacco Control Program playos no ni em kidon ki schools bangila ya let ba nila phabo ikitu ki signages
Long sportive mo di ban hapikti mo. Okay. Third prize goes to Sunny Hill. Woo! Hapti guys. So manu banwa na Sunny Hill. Second prize goes to Springtime Secondary School. Thap khti ken? Thap khti baro khoi?
Te tang kita hi kublesi pun saya isian ya baro kublesi mentah kena kepor ke mentah kebar penlong ya kena program